Let's do my lightweight makeup routine for summer. This is for the girls that don't want a super heavy base but want to give that effortless makeup look. So let's get into it. First, I like to start off with a sunscreen because it's essential for summer. I love this sunscreen because it doesn't leave a super bad white cast and it also gives you that glass skin. Now on to the makeup. First, I'm going to go in with this e.l.f. Hydrating Primer. Just to add a little bit more dimension to the face, I want to go ahead and add this brown eyeliner. First, I like to spot conceal with the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. Once my base is all blended out, I'm going to go in with a lighter concealer from e.l.f. as well as their contour wand. Just a little tip when you're blending out your concealer, make sure you're blending up so you get more of a snatched look. Okay, I went ahead and set my face with some setting powder. Now I'm going to go in with this blush from Revlon. This is one of my favorite blushes at the moment. It's just such a pretty, beautiful pink. Like, look how pretty that is. Now for the best part, look how stunning this highlighter is. This is what's going to give you that really glowy skin that we were talking about earlier. This is literally like glitter on the face. Like, this is such a pretty highlighter. Lastly, I added a little mascara. And this is the final look. I hope you love this as much as I do. I'll see you guys later. Mwah. Bye.